Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Creative Island. Today I am going to create a wedding invitation design. For that I'll be using this pattern here. Already I have uploaded a short video of this, and this is the matter, and this is the Ganesha idol. First of all, I'll draw a rectangle here. Uh, this is rectangle tool. Just click on rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Then I'll change the size of this to 5 by 7 inches. The size of this is in millimeters. I'll change the unit to inches. For that, just click on the page and you will get the units here from millimeters to inches. Okay. Then select this rectangle object, select this object and change the size to 5 by 7 inch. If you want, you can change it to millimeters. Just click on page and then click on millimeters. Click on this rectangle and you will get the size in millimeters here 127 by 177.8 millimeters. Now, now I'll change the color of this object. I'll give deep purple color to this object and then I'll power clip this pattern inside this object. For that, select the pattern, right, right click on this, power clip inside and click on the object in which we have to power clip this pattern. Click here, okay. Now I'm going to create a frame here. For that, I'll select this polygon tool. Select polygon tool, hold control and draw a polygon like this. Then change the sides to 4 from here. 4. Then you select shape tool and select all these nodes like this. And then click on convert to curves option. Then click on page here and hold control and drag it inwards like this. Then select this object and hold shift and decrease the width like this. Then create a copy of this. Just press plus from keyboard and rotate it to 90 degree from here. 90 degree. Now select both these objects and click on weld option. We got a frame here, but I want to decrease the width of this. Already this object is selected. Just press shift key and decrease the width. Now I'll increase the size. You just press shift key and increase the size from this corner like this. Now this object is already selected. Hold shift key and select this background. Press E and C for horizontal and vertical center alignment. Now I'll decrease the width of this object. I'll decrease it like this. Okay, I'll decrease the height of this. Okay, that's enough. I'll give the same color to this deep purple color and I'll increase the outline width of this object to about 1 mm. Now I'll change the color of this outline to white. Just right click on white color. Now I have to create an inner shadow, but in this version inner shadow option is not available. So what I have to do, I have to create drop shadow and power clip it inside this object. Just drag and right click to create a copy. Remove fill. Just click on this cross mark on color palette and select drop shadow. Apply drop shadow to this. If drop shadow is not visible, then just click on outside here and get a drop shadow here. I'll change the feather to 10 and opacity to 40. Then right click on this shadow and break it. I'll delete this object. Now just right click on this shadow, power clip inside, click on this object to power clip. So you got the shadow here. See, it looks like an inner shadow. Okay. Now I'll place this Ganesha idol here. Select this background, press C to align it. Now I'll place this matter here. I'll decrease the size, hold shift and select this background, press C to line it properly. Select all this. First you select this object, this frame and click on object, convert outline to object first. Then you select all and remove outline. Just right click on this cross mark and group it and done. My design is ready now. And if you have any doubts related to this, you can ask me in a comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.